how to add in Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add in Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to add contacts or someone on Telegram, it's very simple. You can open up Telegram. There are two ways to add someone, by username or by their phone number. So if you have the contacts saved on your phone, then you can just go to the contacts tab, select the people who are on Telegram, and you can directly start talking to them if you want to do so right over here. But let's say that you don't have the number but you do have the username. In that case, tap the search icon from the top right hand side and then simply search for the person that you would like to message or add to. And once you go ahead and basically search for a certain person here, you should be able to find them and then just hit the OK option in order to go ahead and then begin talking to them if you'd like. This way you should be able to go ahead and then add in Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.